So if you look at your solving equations and inequalities homework sheet, I'm going to go over a couple of things with you. When we're solving an equation, we want to use PEMDAS, but we use it backwards. So we try to do our addition and subtraction first, our multiplication and division is going to come last. So on number 2, what would you do first there? Number 2.
Multiply 7.
PEMDAS backwards.
Oh, never mind.
We want to add 8. Yep, let's add 8 to negative 12, and then you can multiply by 7. Number 3, we have a number outside of parentheses. What does that tell us we should do? Distribute. So 4 times 3z is 12z, 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. We'll add or subtract, and then multiply or divide. Let's look at the word problem down here, number 6. I'll help you guys set it up, and then I'll let you solve. It says to write an equation, then solve each equation to answer the question. At Charlie's Sub Shop, a sub costs $5.95. Extra condiments are available for 25 cents each. If Maria bought a sub for $7.20, how many extra condiments C did she order? We know the sub is going to cost $5.95 plus they're going to add on some condiments. We know that Maria's going to put some on there. We don't know how many, right? How much does each of those condiments cost? 25 cents. So 0.25, 25 cents times X. Actually, we don't want to use X. What do they tell us the condiments are for? C. Equals, what was her total cost? We're assuming that's pre-tax, right? Or taxes included in that. So you guys should be able to solve this equation and figure out the price of each condiment, correct? Or how many condiments, we know the price. Figure out how many she ordered. Flip your paper over to the back side, please. On the back side, we are solving inequalities. So let's look at number 9. We'll do that one together. What should you do with that 3 that's outside the parentheses? Distribute. So 3 times y is 3y. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. How would you solve this? Add 6. 3y is less than 18. And then divide by 3. So y is less than 6. So if you look up at the directions, it does say to solve each inequality, be sure to graph the solution on a number line. Do you know how to do that? Yes, you definitely should be able to. When you draw your number line, let's put at least 3 numbers on our number line. Would you use an open or a closed circle at 6?
Open.
An open. And what direction am I going to draw the graph to show all my solutions? Left. Remember, make an arrow out of that inequality symbol, and that will tell you the direction. We want all the numbers less than 6. 5 is less than 6, right? We want to include that. Both that direction. Okay, your job then is to finish this page for homework. Okay, and I'll give you some time. I think we're going to take a little quiz here over factoring, and then after that quiz, you'll have the rest of the hour to work on this. I'm sure you'll be able to get it done if you work hard.